Hey, good day everyone. I got this toilet seat here we're going to replace. So I got this old junky one here. This is the second one of these that I've had to install and it didn't hold up. The spring latch in the back is just falls apart. The whole thing just falls apart. So I'm going to remove that. I'm not ever using that kind again. So pick this one up here from Home Depot from Glacier Bay. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this one, install this one. This is a molded wood toilet seat. Here's kind of what I was talking about on this other one. The piece that's back here and back here, they pop out and you can't get them back in. Or if you do get them back in, they pop back out again. So anyway, that's what's going on. So first step, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these down here. Right there, just gonna unscrew those. The other way to do it is just unscrew this right here and hang on to the piece at the bottom. Okay, now while we're here, it's a good time to go ahead and clean off all this area back here too. Get it all clean before you put a nice new seat down on there. Okay, now that we've got the toilet all cleaned back here, we'll go ahead and get this new seat on. All right, here's a look at the new toilet seat. There's one thing to note here on these fasteners back here. Take a look there. You can unlock them and lock them. It shows you the different positions there. What they're talking about is this right here. That's unlocked, and then to lock them, turn it to the right. Let me just show you how that works here too. So when you lock them, it goes like, when you unlock them, it's like that. That way it can pop out, and then to lock them, just turn it back like that. You see I got one installed right here. And what you do, I'll show you the other one. So you leave it in the unlocked position. You put it in the unlocked position there, and you put this in there and it'll pop in. Right, you got to push on it. You'll hear it pop in like that, and then lock it in place. Now, these will go on the bottom like that after we put it on the toilet. So we'll just take this, line it up with our holes there, drop it in, and then we'll put the screws on the bottom. Okay, that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is take this fastener and just put it over here, and I'll show you why you would want to do it this way. The reason you want to do it that way sometimes is because, see this little arm that comes off of there? It's like a half a wing nut. There's not enough room between here and the base of the toilet to turn this all the way around. It hits. So what you want to do is just hold this into place here, and then top side here, take your Phillips cordless screwdriver and cordless drill and screw down on that while holding this in one place. Now that we have those two on there like that, we can just take this and pop that down on there. But make sure these are in the unlocked position. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and lock them on there. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys.